What's up, you guys? It's yours truly, Terry, and welcome back to my channel, Makeup in Here by Terry with Terry Trad First. So, we're going to do something so simple and easy. This is a DIY project on how to make a band for your sewing tomato pins. Today, we're going to use so many ingredients that you can just buy at your local store. We're going to use popsicle sticks. We're going to use E600. And we're going to use a band braiding gel. So it's the band where you apply your gel when doing braids, because I just feel like, why not? You have a tomato with nothing to hold on to it, and you may not have time to be spinning around and get back to your tomato. So why not just make a band for it, I will advise I advise everyone to get a band that's at least the color of your tomato so it can look all more natural and look like it goes together. But once we apply this E600, we're going to smear it out like this. You want it all smooth. You don't want it all bumpy and lumpy. You want it all smooth, like how you put your edge wax on your lace front and have it all melted down. We're going to melt this E600 into this little circle bowl. So now we're just going to stick our little tomato on there just like that. You see? It look like it go all together. Just like that. We're going to clean it up a little so there's no glue smear from the side of it. And we're just going to let it air dry. Once we let it air dry for 2 hours, we're going to put it on our wrist and give it a test run. See? Just like that. Thank you for watching my channels, beauties. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share. And make sure you tell your friend about me. Bye.